Hey guys, so today we are on page 131 in our math book. So we're going to work on lesson 9, multiplying one-digit numbers. In this lesson, we're going to just continue practicing multiplying two-digit or three-digit numbers by one-digit number. So let's look at the example. Again, page 131, lesson 9. Grace and her three friends each paid $38 for an admission ticket to an amusement park. The total paid can be found by multiplying 4 and 38. Find 38 times 4. Okay, and it kind of breaks it up step by step for us here. Step 1, multiply the ones. Remember, the columns here are tens and ones. Multiply the ones first and regroup when necessary. So 8 times 4 is 32, so I'm going to put down the 2 because in the number 32, the 2 is in the ones place. So the 2 stays in this column, and the 3 gets carried over to the tens place. Next, we're going to multiply the tens, 3 times 4. So we're multiplying the 10 by the 1. 3 times 4, it's 12, and then we have to add on that 3. So 3 times 4 is 12, plus 3 is 15. The total amount paid for admission to the amusement park is $152. Okay. Example number 2. This time we have a 3-digit by a 1-digit. That's okay. 317 times 5. So earlier or last week I was teaching you about estimating products and how they're box the basic facts problems and then add the zeros, and they're supposed to just make it easier for you to estimate mentally. So 317 times 5 is a good estimate, would be 300 times 5. We box the basic fact, 3 times 5, it's 15, add 2 zeros. So we know that our answer, our product in this problem should be close to 1,500. If we're getting an answer of 200, we know we should retry it because that's way off. First thing we do is multiply the ones. 7 times 5 is 35. Put the 5 down, carry the 3. Next, multiply this 10 by the 1. 1 times 5 is 5. Add what we just regrouped. So 1 times 5 is 5. Plus 3 is 8. 3 times 5 is 15. So 317 times 5 is 1,585. Is that close to 1,500? Absolutely yes. So 1,585 is kind of close to or about 1,500. All right, let's do guided practice. Try this with me at home. 42 times 2. So first we're just going to get an estimate so we can make sure our answer is reasonable. 4 times 2 is 8, and add the 0. We have 80. Our answer should be close to 80. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. So 42 times 2 is 84. Let's check to see if we're reasonable here. Is 84 kind of close to 80? Absolutely, our answer is reasonable. All right, I want to show you one more way to do this. So you can do it this way. This is called old school or traditional multiplication. And you might have learned another way last year or the year before called lattice multiplication. So I'm just going to show you how lattice works. Draw a box. And you're going to write the numbers that you need to multiply here. So I'm going to do the next one, which is 21 times 3. So how do we do that? We do 21 times 0, 3. Okay? And then we separate our sections. Again, if you are not comfortable with this way, then just ignore me right now. You don't have to do it this way, but I want to offer it as an option in case you're more comfortable. Okay, then you're going to just find where the numbers meet and you're going to multiply them there. So 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 3 is 0 tens, 3 ones. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 3 is 0 tens and 6 ones. Okay? And then what we're going to do is we're just going to add as we go down. So we're done with these. We have 3 plus nothing else, because they stay in their columns, is 3. 0 plus 0 plus 6 is 6. 0 plus 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So we can ignore those two, and we have our answer right here, 63. Okay, so this is called lattice. Again, you do not have to do it this way. This is just another option for multiplication. Some of you might have already been introduced to this and you're comfortable this way, and that's okay. But if you want to do it the way that we just practiced, that's fine too. However you want to do it, you're going to do pages 133 and 14, 15, and 16 on 134. If you're totally getting this and you want to challenge yourself a little bit, work on 17 and 18 as well. Remember to fill out the Google form when you're done to show me how you're doing, and if you need help, come to our live sessions from 9:15 to 10 or 2:20 to 3:20 every day. Thank you.